Hello everyone. So first we are inserting a clip in our hair and then taking 3 parts of hair and tying them around. Then your hairstyle is done. Next we are taking a clip, then inserting it in our hair and then taking 2 parts of hair. Remaining hair we are going to make a braid and going to loosen it a bit. Next we are taking 4 parts of hair, 2 from each side, and then tying them around and loosening them. After that we are making a braid by the remaining hair and then making a bun from them. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a simple braid from the top of our head by taking 3 layers at one time. As you can see, we are taking layer from each side as shown in the video. Then when your braid is done, we are going to loosen it and then taking the remaining hair and then just inserting a beautiful clip. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 2 parts of hair and then joining them together. Then by the remaining hair we are making 2 braids and then we are joining them opposite to each other and then we are clipping this beautiful clutches in our hair. Next we are taking 2 layers and again 2 layers from each side, joining them together. Next we are taking the remaining hair and then making a braid. At last we are going to make a bun and then we are inserting this beautiful clutches. Next we are going to take a clip and then taking 3 layers and joining them with it. After that we are going to loosen it and it's done. Next we are going to take 2 layers each side and then joining them together with the rubber band and then tying rest of our hair into 2 braids and again we are joining them together as shown in the video. After that it's done. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 2 parts of hair, joining them together, and to the remaining hair we are folding it into the attachment we've made and then at last we are going to apply a clip. Next we are making a braid and then we are folding it out and applying this beautiful clutcher to it. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking a part of hair, securing it with rubber band and then we are going to make a bun with usage of these beautiful clips. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 2 parts of hair and then tying it with rubber band. Then to the rest of the hair we are making a braid, folding it out and applying this holding. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 2 layers of hair, joined it with rubber band. At last we are going to repeat this step with 1 layer from each side and then to the remaining hair we are making this low bun. Next we are going to take rubber bands and then making this by taking layer from each side and then joining both of them together. At last we are going to apply this beautiful clutches to our hair.